Okay, here we go. And this is an important lesson about safety. You see, when using the crane, you always must avoid, if possible, to pass over the other workers. So in this case, I have these guys with red helmets right below me. I'm going to put the trolley in so I can avoid them. And cranes by themselves are quite safe, but you never know. I mean, the possibility of an accident is extremely low. However, due to the fact that they are still machines, you never know when they may be at this perfect that the guys of maintaining the crane haven't seen, and you may have a terrible accident. For instance, there's this guy below me, the one with the red helmet, and now he's leaving. Here's another one with a yellow helmet. In these cases, it's very important the presence of someone from prevention, a boss, someone using a whistle to warn the workers that we are moving an object over their heads. Basically that. Receiving instructions in Spanish. Is bilingual lessons today. Okay, trolley out, carro afuera, trolley out. And we arrive. Oh, there's a lot of rain today. So that's today's lessons about the crane. Always avoid workers when possible. Do not put loads over their heads. Never.